Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Today, we will show you our recent innovation on GAN forecasting and the trade which we have taken on last Friday. Okay, so before I start into anything, let us start off with GAN, and then we will be switching on our very advanced setup which is open for trading. Okay, so let's move to our GAN chart. This is a simple Excel spreadsheet which this current pricing we have not yet fixed yet. So these are our team is working on this, but tentatively it will be around 1000 to 1500 per month for usage charges. And if somebody wants to buy it outright, that also is going to be given there. So this is a demo copy, and I promise to give you the demo copy for using for 2-3 days. That also we are going to finalize, and then we'll be rolling it out. Let me show you the trading rules, and I want you to experience the forecasting accuracy. Okay, now this is a very limited period offer, so prices are subject to change. We have not yet finalized anything as yet. Okay, and we will be trying to keep it affordable for everybody. Okay, now let us see. Say today it is 26. It is showing the entire sheet is password protected. You can't even touch excepting going to the playlist and all those stuffs. So and you have all these sales are open. So therefore here you can copy the pre-market price. The pre-market price for the entire video, then trading rules. These are all. I know it. There is a YouTube link. If you click on this YouTube link, you will be going to. It will take you to the video where you have a playlist. So this is again intraday trading tools which you can see, and we have explained it in detail, and along with that we have scanner and Nicala setup here. Okay, so let's go to the Excel spreadsheet. So how do we do that? So we have taken the Nifty price on Friday, that is 25th, pre-opening price at 9:08 AM. Okay, जस्ट खोलने के पहले जो प्राइस है वो लिया है. इट वाज निफ्टी वाज 15,839.35 and 34,916.65. So let us show it on Bank Nifty and Nifty, if possible, time permits. I will also show it on Nifty. So we have, this is something that we should delete. So therefore let me enter, and these are the only two fields that are open for entry. And here it will show that you have to input the stock name, and here you have to put the price between 908 to 9914, that is pre-market. So I will write PA Bank Nifty here. Okay, and then I will put the price here 34,916.35, and it will show here that stock show forecast for the day. This is only purely for intraday. Okay, and Bank Nifty is expected to change at 1300 hours, that is दोपहर को 1:30 से 50 मिनट में एक मूवमेंट होगा, एंड 10:01 से 4 मिनट के अंदर एक मूवमेंट होगा. And what is the trading rule? You have to mark the low, high, and low of this range to create a zone using 1 minute time frame. This will be there. These rules will be there in the spreadsheet. And then the second time also you have to do the same thing, and if price breaks above the zone, you will be on the buy side. Price gets breaks below the zone, you will be on the sell side. Okay, and if time comes outside the range, sometimes it comes to 9.03 to 9.03 आवर्स. तो 9.03 आवर्स में आप ट्रेड कर नहीं सकता है. सो आपका वो ओपनिंग गैप आप में ही मार देंगे. एंड sometimes you get 1600 hours, that is after the market hours. So next day it could be a move. Okay, so this is the interpretation. So let's draw this. Bank Nifty 10 hours 1 to 4. This is Bank Nifty spot. Okay, so let's go to Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty chart, and 10 hours. So if I have to draw, I have to go to the 1 minute chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, and then let's say 1 minute chart. I will go to Bank Nifty 10 hours. Okay, 25th June. Yeah, so 10 hours would be somewhere here. Yeah, 10 hours, 1 to 5 minutes, 1 to 4 minutes. Okay, so what I will do is I will take a rectangle and create a zone. This is 10 hours and 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, these four candles, this is 10:04 and this is 10:05. Okay, so therefore I have to cover this range also. So once we have covered this range, we switch on to our normal 5-minute chart. Okay, and see now how the stock is going to be traded and how it has behaved. Okay, so now I will go to the, I have already entered into the 5-minute chart. This is a range, and see actually we have taken a real real trading here. I will show you how it is done. So then after this we wait it. We have you see during this, in this zone it is a no trading zone. So Bank Nifty struggle to break through or break down. Once it broken down, we switched over to our technicals, and then we have seen that these are all in a bullish zone. So once Bank Nifty crosses here, we have taken a trade. I will show you the trade. We have taken a trade here. We bought it, okay, at this range. We bought it and then just leave it. See, after what is the time we have told, 10 hours 1 to 4 minutes. So above that, see what a beautiful rally it has given. Okay, and then it has again consolidated. And what is the next time we have given? 1 hour 30 minutes to 50 minutes. So 1 hour, between 1 hour 30 minutes to 50 minutes, I will not do any trading. Okay, because I will wait for creating a zone. So this is 1 hour 30 minutes to this is 1 hour 50 minutes. So from here to here I have taken a zone and just left it. The stock also was able to break out the zone, and then it has come back to the zone. This is the power. So therefore stock market में ना आपने जब ट्रेड करोगे, so if you know that this will you can forecast what is the trend change time, and if you know support and resistance, you can easily safely you can do the trading. Okay, तो हम लोग ट्रेड कैसे किया है? Let us now open our software stocks advanced setup. These are the two setup. Okay, I do not own, I do not use any other setup. Okay, so let's close one setup, and then this basically GAN level is coming through this setup. So during your trades, and this is the other setup, stock show version 8, which actually gives you pattern like I will show you. This is the pattern which is basically generated, and this is a cup pattern. If you see, this is a green line here, this is a cup pattern. So therefore whenever a cup pattern is automatically detected by the system, and then even above, when it breaks the above cup pattern, it goes very fast out, upward. Or if it breaks the cup pattern, it comes down very fast. So this is a pattern finder also, it is given there. So lot of advanced stuffs are inside this. And then once we have taken a trade, I will show you the trade in the future chart, then it will be easy for you to understand. We are now focusing on the GAN part. So therefore why we have not got out got out is basically we have our supports here. So therefore once our stock price is not breaching this ash color line, and in between we are getting these are the reversal point, these are the breakaway bars, green bars. So we are still as per our rule, we are actually waiting for a breakout, and cup pattern break kar diya, so therefore it is going up. And since it is also this zone, we could have got out here, because it was still taking support and we were in profit. So therefore we thought that we should continue, because here it is again showing green, showing blue means it is bullish. So therefore when we reach to this level, and then we got a double top here, although, and there is a divergence here. So therefore what we thought is once we got our special black candle, and also in this linear regression channel was showing that the trend, I am exhausting the trend, and slowly it has started giving a red signal here. This 5 minutes is basically indicating this. So here we were also getting the 5 and 15 minutes red signal, so we thought this is a special candle, so we'll go out, so we moved out. Okay, this is the power of our setup. Okay, I will show you my trade. I will also like to explain you one more thing. See, in bank nifty index you do not get the volume information. ओके तो स्टॉक वॉल्यूम जानना बहुत जरूरी है, तो उसीलिए क्या है ना, इसमें ना ऑटोमेटिकली ये रिले हो गए कि price action with volume average above 30. Okay, this is basically what he is saying is the hard signs here. Hard signs are saying that these are the candles where you have huge volume in future. Okay, so how we have our code to really bring it and implant it in इंडेक्स ट्रेडिंग. ओके, ऑर्डिनरीली बैंक निफ्टी या निफ्टी में आपका स्टॉक की वॉल्यूम नहीं मिलेगा, वही वॉल्यूम हमने पास किया है थ्रू your future chart. So I will show you in the future chart. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6, say the last 6 candles have gone to volume average. I have hidden other back period. Okay, so let's go to the volume. Now this is the bank nifty one's index chart. Okay, let's see the volume part. This is a volume and this is the volume average chart. So let me बड़ा कर देते हैं. आप देखिए लास्ट 6 कैंडल्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 कैंडल्स जहां हमने हार्ट मिला है. आप जस्ट हैव अ लुक विद दिस, लुक एट दिस चार्ट. लास्ट 6 कैंडल में हमको हार्ट मिला है. दीज आर ऑल वॉल्यूम कैंडल्स. सो देयरफॉर चार्ट हम क्लामजी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ से हमने ऑटोमेटिकली इंफॉर्मेशन पास थ्रू करा रहा है. Okay, so therefore this is how it is traded. So in this case we know that huge volume, stock is coming out with huge volume, and then we have got other dimensional confirmation, sell confirmation. So therefore we have not this is the reason why we have got out of this area. In this area also we got the volume information. ये जो volume information है, in this area it was low. In fact this is the only bar where we have got a huge volume outbreak, and the bar, ये बार में आपका वॉल्यूम आउटब्रेक हुआ था ये लाल में, उसीलिए हम लोग निकल गया ये ब्लैक पे. सो वी कुड नॉट टेक फुल प्रॉफिट, बट वी हैव एक्चुअली एंटर्ड एट 1125. आपकी 35,200 में एक फ्यूचर लिया था, उसको 35,618 में इधर बेच दिया है. तो 35,618 35,618 माइनस 35,200 हम लोगों को मिला है 418 पॉइंट बैंक निफ्टी में, एंड 25 की लॉट है, सो 10,450 मिला है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी सेफ ट्रेड, एंड इन दिस ट्रेड we do not have any risk, and everywhere if you look at this. Now let me switch off the stock, so version 8 setup, and then वो लाइन चला गया है. Now this is the GAN setup. ये GAN setup basically is showing you, is giving you the GAN support resistance level. Okay, and these are very very important support and resistance for future, and these are the automatic pitchfork lines. So every time you are seeing here the median line is broken, this is one of the another reason. Median line is a very very important support level. So these trading loans and advanced setup, all the videos are available, and we have also our Nikala rule, Nikala setup, which is available here, at the same playlist. ये playlist कहाँ से आपको मिलेगा ना, यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay, channel की list. So those are the informative things I just wanted to share, and these are really very very useful to trade. Okay friends, so this is CA Sarup Ghosh. I will take your leave, and I promise you again that we will be giving you this Excel spreadsheet where you can really predict the GAN, and this is, will be pricing is not yet finalized, and but it will be very affordable within a range of 1,000 to 1,500, but that will decide. And if somebody is wanting to buy it outright, that is also going to be available, and it will be launched very soon. Okay, and I will also give you the demo version of this. Okay, with this is CS Sarup Ghosh from Stock Deck. Bye bye, take care and stay safe. Thank you very much.